title?
Bob Carter, General Manager of Toyota.
We have about 5 different alternative platforms. We have flex fuel for ethanol, hybrids, diesel, fuel cell, and plug-in electric vehicles. You get to choose one. What are you spending most of your resources on right now?
Well, today, short term, certainly is our commitment to hybrid. We believe hybrid is not only an important technology for today's environment, it really is going to lead us into the future, both from lowering the impact on the environment as well as improving overall fuel economy in our vehicles. We've been the leader in hybrid since we introduced it to the U.S. market in 2000, and we continue to develop that. Our vision is that we see ourselves selling in excess of 1 million hybrids and offering a hybrid either as a dedicated powertrain or an optional powertrain in nearly everything that we sell.
Right now, you're part of the California Fuel Cell Partnership?
That's correct. Toyota's plan, we're very confident that hybrid is the correct technology. It meets consumers' needs both short and long term. We view hybrid as a solution, but not the solution. The future may hold many different alternatives that are needed for the consumers. So not only are we active in the area of hybrid, we're actively testing on the road plug-in hybrid. We've already announced our plans to introduce E85 ethanol capability in our Tundras lines.
And that'll be this year?
It'll be this year.
Okay.
We have announced this week at the Detroit Auto Show our intentions to introduce clean diesel for our Tundra applications, and we're also very, very active on fuel cell development. In total, Toyota is investing over $1 million per hour in research and development in this area.
We're going now to the plug-in electric vehicles because you said you do have 4 of them that you are test driving right now.
We're working in conjunction with the University of Berkeley and the University of Irvine, California in Irvine. They have 4 of our vehicles. We are going to be introducing much larger fleets through companies across the U.S. so we fully understand how this technology works day to day and everyday driving situations, and to also understand what the consumer expectations are. Our application of plug-in hybrid is very similar to our current Prius technology, whereby we have additional battery pack storage so the vehicle is able to accelerate up to 60 miles an hour and go from 7 to possibly as many as 10 miles without any gasoline usage at all. And at that point in time, the gasoline engine, which primary purpose is to recharge the battery pack, will become operational.
At TV commercials where the car is actually, instead of rusting away in a lot somewhere, it's melding sort of back into the earth. And most people think that nickel metal hydride batteries aren't being recycled. So how can it meld back into the earth if that's true?
We have, first, the nickel metal hydride that's in our hybrid Synergy dry systems are designed for the life of the vehicle. So they do not need replacement. They don't need servicing. But there will be a time when the vehicle gets to the end of its useful life. For an instance, that may be involved in an accident, for example. We do recycle those batteries. We have an extremely high success rate of recovering them in accident conditions, for example. Actually, on the battery itself, and we have gone out and done training with auto disassemblers and auto wreckers, and we've placed a bounty on these batteries of up to $200. Once we recover that, all the nickel metal hydride is fully recycled even the plastic case that we contain the battery in is recycled. So everything that is connected to that battery system is fully recovered and reused.
How many U.S. auto plants do you have that are 0% landfill?
Well, I'm very proud to say 100% are zero landfill. All of our plants, whether it's our newest plants that are in Texas, to our plant that's currently under construction outside of Windsor, Ontario, all have a great commitment to the environment, not only during their manufacture, but during their actual construction.
It has a ransomware on top of it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.